Good evening, friends. I am extremely delighted to address all of you on this webcast on service tax rules. I am extremely happy that the Indirect Taxes Committee, under the dynamic chairmanship of C. Atul Gupta, is conducting a lot of initiatives for empowering the members in the emerging area of indirect tax practice. Friends, indirect taxes is one area where members of our profession can specialize and offer services to clients and various other corporates in the country. I'm really keen to state that today the indirect tax collections is increasing every year, and the Ministry of Finance is keen to see that the compliance in indirect taxes amongst all payers in the country is good. They have made a request to the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India that we should support them in all their initiatives. And during the last VCS scheme, we had an opportunity of meeting the Honorable Finance Minister, Mr. Chidambaram, wherein we had a live webcast from the Ministry of Finance, which enabled the Ministry of Finance to mop up a lot of service tax, and this particular scheme was supported very well by the membership. I feel we as professionals have a very important role to play in implementing the legislations, various legislations, and there's plenty of opportunities for us as professionals in practicing in the field of service tax. And the Indirect Taxes Committee has got an ambitious agenda of empowering all the young CAs, young professionals to enter the field of service tax. Indirect taxes is one area where we feel there are a lot of dearth of professionals, you could say, and the industry is looking for chartered accountants having the expertise of indirect taxes. Industry is looking at chartered accountants who are having the expertise of service tax, customs, excise, and we believe that as an institute there is a responsibility on us to educate our members on this growing area of practice. The webcasts that have been planned by the Indirect Taxes Committee will help the members to update themselves on the latest developments taking place in this field. Recently, the Indirect Taxes Committee has also come out with a publication on service tax compliance in the banking industry, which has been very well received. In addition to that, the Indirect Taxes Committee is conducting a 2-day program on enabling service practice in indirect taxes, which has been a big success. So those of you who would like to participate in these programs should write to the Indirect Taxes Committee so that we could conduct a program for the benefit of members in your respective branches. The certification course on indirect taxes again has been a big success. We are conducting certification courses on indirect taxes across the country so that you will be able to confidently practice in this particular area. Friends, this year we have decided that we would like to empower our members in some of the emerging areas of practice. The theme for the year, which we have already announced on the 12th of February 2015, is moving towards new frontiers, is to state that yes, there are plenty of new opportunities opening up for our profession, and we feel indirect taxes is one area where there is a lot of opportunities for our profession. I am sure the members who are watching this webcast would be immensely benefited by the deliberations that would take place, and C. Ashok Batra, one of the eminent experts in this in the field of service tax, would be able to enlighten you on the various developments taking place on the service tax rules. And I wish good luck to all of you, and I hope that all the members viewing the webcast would continue to participate in the knowledge learning exercise, which is absolutely critical for the success of any professional. With these, I would now hand over the